Lesson is summarizing what you call the first position of mastering the lead guitar. This exercise is made up of 5 different positions. And in this video, we are going to do the first position. And the next video will have the second position, and then the third position in the other video, till we have the 5th position. Master these 5 positions. Now, in this first position, we are going to simply use the first 3 frets. Fret 1, fret 2, and fret 3. So we use these first 3 frets and the open keys. The open keys now meaning you play a key without touching it. So we are basically using the first 3 frets. We are using basically finger 2 and finger 3, and we are using the open keys. And we can start our exercise from string 1 to string 6, or we can start from string 6 down to string 1. Sometimes when they are playing and you hear this sound, you are like, what exactly are they playing? No, it's just a manipulation. For now, let's leave out the technical names and go straight to the playing. Then we explain with the technical names and everything. So, sometimes when you hear this, you're just resting on the key, and we'll be coming to that. But for this lesson, let's focus on the finger positioning and then the sound it produces. As we said, this is the first position. And the first position is basically we are having our finger 1 here, finger 2, finger 3, and finger 4. And for this first positioning, finger 4 will not be used, and finger 1 will not be used, but finger 2 and the open keys will be used. So now let's go straight to the practical. Starting with finger 3. 3, 3, open, 2. 3, open, 2. Okay, let's go. 3, open, 2. 3, open. So this, the 5th string is open. Open meaning you play it, but you are not touching it. Okay. You see, the next one is open. So now, to make it easier for us, let's write it down. Let's write out the key, how you will see it normally written. Then from there now, please do grab your pen and paper, and we'll do some writing, and do subscribe so that you do not miss out in subsequent videos, because a complete package is better for you. And 6. Now here means we are starting from the first fret. That's why it's thick. Then we have fret 1, fret 2, fret 3, and our fret 4. Now, so on fret 1, here, string 1. Fret 1 is empty, fret 2 is empty. Fret 3, we are playing finger 3. On fret 3, string 2, we are playing finger 3. Let's make it very clear here. 3. On fret 2, we are playing finger 2. On fret 2, string 4, we are playing finger 2. On string 5, fret 2, we are playing finger 2. And then on string 6, fret 3, we are playing finger 3. Now let's feature the open keys. Before this string 3, we decided to start with the familiar. Before this string 3, we have an open key. So before we play this on fret 3, string 1, we are going to play an open key. So we are going to strike this string without touching it. So it will be kung. Then before we strike the same string, but now touching on fret 3, finger 3. Before we strike this, we have an open key. 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 And then here we finish it. So this is what we have. Open 3. Open 3. Open 2. Open 2. Open 2. 3. Now, let's put it into practice and see. We can either start from 1 to 6 or from 6 to 1. And we are going to do all. So let's start our practice now from 6 to 1. So we start with 3, 3, 3. Then the next string is open. The next string is open. Then 2. So string this 3 open 2, 3 open 2, 3 open 2, open 2. 3 open 2, open 2. 3 open 2, open 2. 3 open 2, open 2, open 2. 3 open 2, open 2, open 2, open 3, open 3. 3 open 2, open 2, open 2, open 3, open 3. 3 open 2, open 2, open 2, open 3, open 3. Okay. Now, as we said, we can also come from string 1 right to string 5. Open 3. If you notice the difference, when we are starting from string 6, it's simply 3. But when it comes to starting from string 1, coming to string 6, the pattern changes. Now look at these two diagrams. This is when you are starting from string 6 down to string 1. And then this other pattern is when you are starting from string 1 to string 6. So when you are starting from string 6 to 5, you start with 3, 0, 2, 0, 2, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 3. Now when you are starting from 1 to string 6, you start with 0, 3, 0, 3, 0, 2, 0, 2, 0, 2, 0, 3. Now let's do it a bit faster. 0, 3, 0, 3, 0, 2, 0, 2, 0, 2, 0, 3. Now we're talking about lead and all this. We can improvise with just this position. This is the first position. We'll continue till we have 5 positions. By the end of mastering these 5 positions, you will be a pro when it comes to the lead guitar. So let's get familiar with the positioning, and let's manipulate it, put a rhythm. Okay. I'm not playing anything in particular. We're just playing around with the positioning so that we master it. And then once a song comes, once we start improvising, just in the same positioning, the songs have already been arranged. They will fit. I'm not playing any. I don't even know what I'm playing, but just allow it to flow. You are already learning how to manipulate the guitar. However, ensure that the positioning of the hand is conscious. And your ability to play on this fret with just finger 2, on this fret with just finger 3, on this fret with just finger 4, and on this fret with just finger 1, and then respect the open keys, gives you an endless license to manipulating music. You see, since they are in the same position, if you want to manipulate them, you can just remain with the hand there. Oh, 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 oh. Enjoy it. Just free yourself. Without the position 2 and the rest, this one will not be complete. So subscribe so that you don't miss out on the position 2. If not, it will be half knowledge. See you in the next position and don't miss out. Thank you. Bless you.